What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to turn on screen mirroring on any iPhone. Screen mirroring is a feature that allows you to mirror your iPhone screen on other device like a smart TV or computer. And now to get started, first open your settings, then after that go and click on General. Then once you head to General Settings, scroll down till you find AirPlay and Continuity. Tap on it, then here you will see Automatically AirPlay. Tap on it, then here you have three options: Never, Ask, Automatic. It will be by default on Never. You can simply choose Ask or Automatic in order to enable it. If you select Ask, your iPhone will prompt you to see AirPlay when it detects a compatible device nearby. This gives you the choice to connect or not. With the automatic option, your iPhone will automatically AirPlay when it detects a compatible device without asking for confirmation. Now, after choosing one of these two options, Ask or Automatic, you can now go back and scroll down from the upper part of your screen. Then here it will show you these options. Now you have to click on this one right here. Then it will be searching for any compatible devices. And now you can simply use the screen mirror. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.